Hello everyone, I will present you today the new Einhell multifunctional cordless tool. This is a German design, how you see. This package is without battery and charger, is not included, is 18 volt, 3.2 angle, reduced vibration, and also from 11,000 to 12,000 RPM per minute. And what we see has a quick release magnetic fixation tool, has a speed electronic, you can change the speed. Also you have included accessories 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with this for wood. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. And it's ready. Good. So let's see. This comes in a carton box. Let's see what we have inside. This, and it's empty. So let's start from beginning. We have some guarantee manuals, in all language. This language is included. So don't forget to read the fucking manual. Here, let's see what we have here. Interesting. Good, it's empty. And let's see. We have this bracket. Seems to be good quality. We have included P60, P80 and P120. It's good for beginning, it's good for start. We have here also a tool for tiles. This is included. And this tool for wood. In the next, we have more. Here we have more. I don't know for what is this. We have something for metal. Seems to be good. We have something for wood and plastic. Let's continue. We have something for remove and let's continue. Oh, this is the monster. Einhell variation tool. Here, let's see what we have. This power change, service and warranty. How we saw, have 3 years guarantee. And let's see the tool. So we have here the rotation. ISO is 5 steps and max, and have also a gear between them. So it's a good. Here it's starting. Ah, it's good. You can start and you can use it without keep the on this. This is the serial number, and let's see. It's 2025, made in China, designed in Germany. It's good. It feels good. It's not so hard. Have a good rubber. And let's see this quick release. I saw it's like this. Okay. For example, let's install something. It's good. It's quickly. And I make this, put down, install another. It's good. I like it. In the next video, I will show you how you can render with it. So that's all for now.